The world's first modular device with a detachable rear display versus the world's first rugged phone with the largest rear display. I'm talking about the Oukitel WP200 Pro versus the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro. I'll compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones in this video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys, the WP200 Pro versus the Armor 30 Pro. What do you think of the specs of both 5G rugged phones? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.